In our previous tutorial, we've broken down the difference between multi-channel, cross-channel, and omni-channel marketing. One thing should be clear. A seamless customer experience is no longer optional. It's an absolute necessity. Think about it. Have you ever interacted with a brand and felt frustrated because you had to repeat yourself? Maybe you called customer service, explained your issue, then had to re-explain it when they transferred you to another department. Or maybe you saw an ad for a product, clicked on it, but ended up on a website where that product wasn't even mentioned. That's a broken experience, and customers hate it. On the other hand, when everything flows smoothly, when customers don't have to think about the process, it builds trust, loyalty, and ultimately drives business growth. So, let's explore why a seamless customer experience is crucial, what happens when it's missing, and how businesses can make it a reality. What is a seamless customer experience? A seamless customer experience means that every interaction a customer has with a brand is 1. Connected. No matter how or where they engage, their journey continues without disruption. 2. Consistent. The messaging, branding, and service remain the same across platforms. 3. Effortless. Customers don't have to work hard to get what they need. Let's break this down with an example. Let's see a seamless experience in action. Imagine you're planning a vacation and searching for hotels. Here's what an ideal, seamless customer journey looks like. You start on Google and search for best hotels in Dubai. You click on a hotel's website and browse room options. You get an email reminder about the rooms you viewed but didn't book. You see a retargeting ad on Instagram offering a 10% discount if you book today. You book through the hotel's mobile app and it automatically saves your preferences. When you arrive at the hotel, the receptionist welcomes you by name and already knows your room preference. After checkout, you receive a thank you email with a discount code for your next visit. At no point did you have to restart your journey or repeat yourself. Everything was connected, personalized, and effortless. That's a seamless customer experience. And that's what every business should aim for. So then, why is a seamless customer experience so important? In order to answer this question, let's dive into the 5 key reasons why brands must prioritize a smooth, connected experience across all touchpoints. 1. It increases customer satisfaction. Let's be honest. Customers don't care about your internal processes. They don't want to hear, "Sorry, our system doesn't allow that," or "You'll have to contact another department." They just want things to work. When an experience is seamless, customers feel valued because their time is respected, have fewer frustrations since they don't have to jump through hoops, are more likely to return because they associate the brand with ease and convenience. Example, think about Apple. Whether you shop online, visit a store, or call customer support, the experience is the same: smooth, simple, and effective. 2. It builds brand loyalty. A seamless experience doesn't just make customers happy in the moment, it keeps them coming back. When people know they can trust a brand to make their life easier, they'll choose it over competitors. Here's what a strong, seamless experience leads to: higher retention rates. Customers don't feel the need to look elsewhere. More referrals. Happy customers recommend brands to others. Stronger emotional connections. People remember experiences that make their lives easier. Example, Starbucks rewards program is integrated across all platforms. Whether you order via the app, website, or in-store, your points, preferences, and order history are always synced. This keeps customers engaged and loyal. 3. It reduces customer effort and frustration. One of the biggest reasons customers abandon a brand? Too much effort. If they have to work hard to find what they need, they'll move on. A seamless experience removes friction by offering continuity. No need to restart every time they switch platforms. Remembering preferences. Customers shouldn't have to enter the same details multiple times. Making support easy. Help should be available instantly and without hassle. Example: Amazon's one-click ordering is the perfect example of reducing effort. Customers don't have to enter payment details repeatedly. They just click once and it's done. 4. It drives revenue and conversions. When experiences are seamless, customers are more likely to complete purchases and even spend more. A smooth process removes barriers to buying, making it easier for customers to say yes. Let's look at the impact on revenues. Fewer abandoned carts. When checkout is simple, people follow through. Higher average spend. Personalized recommendations lead to more purchases. More impulse buys. When there's no friction, customers act faster. Example: Netflix makes it effortless to subscribe. Just a few clicks, no complicated steps, and you're watching in seconds. That simplicity is why millions sign up without hesitation. 5. It gives businesses a competitive edge. Today's market is crowded. Customers have endless choices, and they'll go where they feel valued. If your brand doesn't offer a smooth experience, they'll find one that does. That is to say, a seamless experience helps businesses stand out from competitors who still have disconnected touchpoints, create lasting impressions that keep customers engaged, future-proof their brand by adapting to evolving customer expectations. Example: Disney's Magic Band system allows guests to unlock hotel rooms, buy food, access park rides, and more, all with a single wearable device. That level of convenience makes Disney an industry leader in customer experience. So now, let's discuss how to create a seamless customer experience. So, how can businesses actually achieve a seamless experience? Let's break it down into 6 essential strategies. 1. Integrate all customer touchpoints. Every platform, website, mobile app, social media, in-store experience, customer service should be connected. Example: if a customer starts a conversation on a chatbot, a human agent should see the chat history when they take over. 2. Use data to personalize experiences. Leverage customer data to anticipate needs and tailor interactions. Example: if a customer frequently buys skincare products, send them targeted recommendations for complementary items. 3. Optimize for mobile and cross-device usage. Customers switch between devices constantly. Ensure everything works flawlessly on desktop, mobile, and tablets. Example: a customer who adds an item to their cart on a desktop should see it waiting for them when they open the mobile app. 4. Streamline the checkout and support process. Make purchasing and customer service fast and easy. Example: offer one-click checkout, guest checkout options, and self-service support to reduce friction. 5. Train employees to deliver a consistent experience. A seamless journey isn't just about technology, it's about people. Every team member should understand how to provide a smooth, customer-first experience. Example: a retail employee should have access to the same customer data as online support agents. 6. Continuously improve, based on customer feedback. Monitor feedback, track pain points, and constantly refine the customer journey. Example: if customers frequently complain about long response times, invest in chatbots or AI-driven support to speed up resolutions. To summarize, a seamless customer experience is no longer just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. Brands that create smooth, effortless journeys win customer loyalty, increase revenues, and stay ahead of the competition. So, if you want to future-proof your business, start focusing on integration, personalization, and ease of use. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next tutorial.